Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Lacdo 13-inch laptop sleeve in the navy blue color. I recently got this new laptop sleeve as a replacement for my old sleeve because I've had this encased sleeve for about 10 years now, and this has been in my messenger bag ever since I first got my 2012 MacBook Pro. And so I felt this case, after being used for 10 years, deserved to be retired and replaced. And so I ended up purchasing the Lacdo 13-inch laptop sleeve as a replacement. And so what we'll do real quick is we'll show you the packaging, we'll show you what the actual sleeve looks like, then I'll take my M1 MacBook Pro, the 13-inch model, and throw it in here so you can get a general sense of the size and how well it fits. Okay, so real quick, I did want to show you my old in-case laptop sleeve that I've had for about 10 years. This sleeve I had all the way from when I was at Johns Hopkins, all the way through medical school, all the way through 5 years of neurosurgery residency. So I use my laptop every day, and probably about 4 or 5 years ago, the zipper actually broke on this. So essentially I just throw the laptop in here, in my actual messenger bag, and leave it that way and just pull it directly in and out of this. But it served the purpose as far as protecting both my 2012 MacBook Pro as well as my M1 MacBook Pro since I got it. But as you can tell, this thing's beat up, it's gross, it's stained, it's nasty, it's got coffee stains on it, that sort of thing. So we'll get rid of it and we'll get a replacement. So, so this is the, sorry. Lacdo 13-inch laptop sleeve. You can get it on Amazon for about $15. I'll leave a link in the description below, but there's multiple different colors. I think there's a total of 6 colors. There's like a black, a gray, a navy, there's a green, peach, and a pink. But $15, it's a great price. Hopefully this thing lasts 10 years or like my last one does, but we'll have to see. But we'll just take it out of the packaging. It comes in this like plastic kind of container, but this is what it looks like up close. So it's got a it's this navy design. It does have kind of like this little textured pattern to it. It feels very similar to like a neoprene type of canvas combination. It has the Lacdo label in the front, which is like the faux leather here, and then there is on the back there's going to be a sleeve here. Okay, but that's the front and that's the back, and then on the front here there is one pocket here, okay, that you can zip it open and close. This is what the pocket contents look like as far as the size. So you might be able to fit your actual laptop like charger and a couple other things like maybe a mouse in here. Definitely can't fit a keyboard based on that size, but this is what the case or the front pocket looks like, and it does run the whole length in the front from the top of the laptop sleeve. And then the actual laptop case area opens up like this, and so very similar to my old one, it has like this kind of like not felt but like a cloth layering or smooth kind of cloth layering on the inside, and it is padded. It is pretty well padded, so it's very comparable to the in-case case that I've had for 10 years. So hopefully this works out. Real quick, what I'm going to do is unplug my laptop and we'll throw it in this case so you can get a general sense of how well it fits. Okay, so this is my M1 MacBook Pro. It has the Masaso laptop case or hard shell case on it, and I've used that for protecting the outside of it. That's what it looks like at this point. We'll just try to throw this in here. And so for the 13-inch model, it is a little bit tight. So it is tight, it is very snug there, but it does line up and fit very, very well. It is basically in line with where the laptop is on all the corners. There's no real excess material, so that's kind of what it looks like once you have the laptop in it. So it does fit on the M1 MacBook Pro and the 13-inch model. Real quick, we'll kind of see what we can throw in here on the inside. So this is just like mouse, so you could definitely throw a mouse. I don't really have anything else around here, but you could probably throw maybe 2 mice and maybe a hard drive or a solid state drive. You could probably fit on the side here. So you could probably put a mouse and a solid state drive, and then maybe a couple of USBs, something like that, or a hub adapter. But that's it. And then on the back, let's see, once the case is actually, or the computer's actually in the case. You probably can't really fit anything, maybe like a folder, but you're not really going to use this. I don't see much value as far as this back pouch. It's really for design purposes, most likely. So that's the Lacdo 13-inch laptop sleeve. You can get it on Amazon for about $15. There's 6 different colors. This is the navy color. So if you have questions, comments, you can post them below, but I think this is pretty straightforward. It definitely fits for the M1 Macbook Pro and the 13-inch model. This is definitely well worth it after having the other case for 10 years. So I'll be happy with this, and hopefully I'll get 10 more years out of this, or I'll just buy another one for $15 because they're super cheap. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. As always, if you're interested in following more of my content, you can hit the subscribe button as well. Otherwise, have a great night.